Hi guys, welcome. I'm Wilson Lay of Segway Ninebot of Simply Moving Philippines, and I'm here right now to do the worldwide launch of the latest Segway Ninebot E22. Electric scooters has been one of the essentials during lockdown, especially the absence of public transportation. Come and join me as we officially unbox our newest E22.
Here we go now.
One piece of 2.5 millimeter Allen wrench, and there's a set of screws and a piece of belt. Very important, which is the warranty card and operations manual. Usually the handlebar is separate from the unit itself, so there's a little bit of assembly required. It comes with a charger. Okay, so here's the belt. Okay, so there's only just one connection, which is one cable, and you'll just attach it before putting in the handlebar. And there are around 7 screws that is included. What is unique about E22 that it comes with its own belt, and it is usually installed at the left side of the handle.
Here we go now.
The special features that is unique to E22. So the first one, the body of the scooter is made of the color is a titanium gray color, and it's actually an aluminum aviation grade alloy which can withstand 700 kilograms of static. The next one, accelerator and the brakes, which is indicated by a yellow color for acceleration and a gray color for the electronic brake. It comes with the two brakes, which is electronic on the left side and a manual foot brake at the back. The next feature is actually the grip. Right now the grip is made of polyurethane and it's very sturdy, so even though your hands is wet, you will be able to grasp the handlebar. The fourth one would be the tail light. This is new in the ES2, so right now it's in flash mode. For the fifth one, as you would see, the wheels right now are 9-inch. The previous models, they used solid tires. Now it's made of non-pneumatic solid tires. It has upgraded into a super large wheel diameter, and it's flat free, which not only offers the comfort of pneumatic tires, but also the advantage of run flat and is maintenance free. Another one is the up function. You can actually set the start acceleration from 0 to 5 kilometers. So you can set it through your app that when you set it to 0, when you press the accelerator, it would actually start. If you want to set it to 5 kilometers per hour, so you just have to kick until 5 kilometers, then they would start accelerating. Another feature of the app is the taillight effects. Okay, now the taillight, right now it's in the flashing of brake light, but this can be adjusted to always on, and you can actually adjust also the brightness of the brake light. Now, okay. In addition, there are 3 levels of energy recovery. Okay, the adjustments would be strong, medium, and weak. So, just in case on a downhill, you would be able to recover the energy and thus riding a little bit more. Okay. Now, the range speed of this is 22 kilometers of maximum range, and the speed is 20. From a speed of 20 kilometers, then stopping, it would only take 3.64 meters just to stop. So that's how efficient right now the brake system works. And also, the motor right now, it comes with a 300 watt DC brushless motor, so which can accelerate very fast. In fact, you would be able to do an inclination climb of 15 degrees.